Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to learn that how can you create subscriber in Pabbly email marketing and send WhatsApp message on Instamojo sale. So whenever a payment is successfully done or a sale is successful from Instamojo, then you will be adding that customer as a subscriber in your Pabbly email marketing, and then you can send a notification or a confirmation message on WhatsApp using Interact to that customer about that sale. So for this complete process, rather than doing this one by one manually, you can create a complete automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, where our trigger will be the new sale in Instamojo. Then our action will be, that is first action step will be adding a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing, and our last action step will be to send a template message via Interact on WhatsApp. Let us learn how to do that. So in this video, we are going to learn that whenever a sale is completed in our Instamojo, then that detail of the sale will be sent to first of all WhatsApp using Interact, and then to your emails so that the customer can keep a track of the payment done and also keep the record of the product. So let us quickly sign in so that we will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now, which will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you will be able to see a big blue button on your right side where it is written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Create Subscriber in Pabbly Email Marketing and Send WhatsApp Message for Instamojo Sale. Click on Create, and then a blank workflow will be created for you like you can see on your screen. You will be able to see Trigger and Action, the two major modules of Pabbly Connect on which the complete automation runs over here. As you can see the title, we are going to create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing for the Instamojo sale, and also we will send a WhatsApp message for the same. So let us begin. You have to make sure that you open up your Pabbly email marketing from here, and also your Instamojo and your Interact or any other application that you're using to send WhatsApp message, because you will be connecting both all of these applications with Pabbly Connect so that you can make the required changes and also cross-check the changes that are going to take place. Further, trigger says when this happens and action says do this, which means that trigger is going to be the first application where the event will take place. Like over here, the sale will be done. The sale will be successful in Instamojo. So our trigger application is going to be Instamojo. The event which will trigger the workflow is going to be new sale. So this is our trigger application and trigger event. And when this happens, then we are supposed to do two things. First one is Pabbly email marketing. So we are going to use Pabbly email marketing over here to create a subscriber in it. Add subscriber. All right. Close this, and then click on the plus button to add one more module, because you will be using Interact to send a WhatsApp message. So we will be using the template method over here. So an already created template message will be exchanged by the information of the new sale in Instamojo, and the message will be sent to your customer on WhatsApp. Alright, so let us begin with the Instamojo. Now when you have selected trigger event as new sale, you are provided a webhook URL over here which is given to you by Pabbly Connect so that you can connect Instamojo and Pabbly Connect in such a way that whenever for any specific product, like here you have all the products, for any specific product, a sale is successful, then all the details related to that customer, the delivery address, and also the product details will be sent over here as a response, so that you can use that data, that email address, and also the phone number to send WhatsApp message over here. Let us begin. First of all, you're going to connect this webhook URL with Instamojo. So you're going to copy it from here and paste it in the product with which you want to do the integration. I want to buy this smartwatch over here. I will open it. Go to advanced, and here in my advanced you will see I have a field called webhook URL. So I'm going to erase the existing one over here and then copy this one and paste it in my empty field. Once I've done this, click on save, and my integration is complete. It is just such a tiny step. Once it is done, it is updated. Now you will open this up and click on view on store. So now, so that you can now buy this watch, I will click on buy now. And here I will enter my details as a customer. Let me just type over here new customer. That's my name, email address, okay, and my contact number. Add delivery info. So I'm going to add my address over here. And here it is. Click on review and pay, and now I have to make the payment. See, the payment is done. It is reflected over here. And once the payment is done, you will receive the response about the details of the new sale. See, the response is here. The status is here. The purpose for ID is given. Payment ID is over here. Alright. Then you have what? The buyer's mobile number, the buyer's name, and the email address. The amount is also given over here. If you want to just use these data, then well and good. But if you want more data, that is the address and all, so you can just add one more step over here. Click on the plus button to add one more action application, which is going to be Instamojo again, because this time you're going to use the ID of that product or that ID of the sale and then bring out all the details over here. Like get payment details is the action event. Connect. Now you've already connected Instamojo, so select existing connection, save. And here, see, you have to enter the payment ID. So I'm not going to paste any payment ID over here. I will map it. What is mapping? Mapping is basically taking the data from the previous step, inserting the data from the previous step. Which is your previous step? The new sale. Open the drop down menu and here you will find this payment ID. Map this over here because I'm mapping it because of the reason that every time a new sale occurs, a new payment ID will be brought over here and this is going to be changed or replaced again and again. Click on save and send test request and here you will see the response with all the address details of the customer. See, here we have the address as well. So you can use these details of the order and the customer and the date and everything to frame your WhatsApp message over here. Now it is time for us to create a subscriber in our email marketing. So open this one. You've already chosen the application and event over here. Click on connect, add new connection, and you have to enter a token over here. So how do you take the token? You just go to your Pabbly email marketing and you have to find the bearer token, which will be available to you in integrations then developer API as shown in the screenshot for your reference. So let us follow these steps. Here is my integrations in the left panel and here is my developer API. See, I have a bearer token. You can regenerate to get a new token and I will copy it from here and paste it in my workflow. And I will paste it over here. Since I have entered the bearer token, I will click on save and my connection will be established. See, it is over here. Now you have list, many lists are here, Elementor, customer, fluent, form and all that. So I'm going to take it testing. Okay, I will create the subscriber or add the subscriber in testing. I will enter the email address of the person that is over here. See, this is my email address, customer's email address, and the name of the person is here, new customer. So I have it. I have entered the basic details required to add a subscriber and I will click on save and send test request. And see, we have the response over here which says message list updated successfully, total emails in the list 6. So including the new subscriber that we have added, we have 6 emails in our list and it is a success. So let us go to our Pabbly email marketing and check, are we able to create or were we able to create a subscriber over there? Close this module and let us go. And see, here I will find subscribers on my left panel and then I will get all the list. So my list is testing. This is my list and see the last customer or subscriber you can see. This is the email address of our customer on Instamojo and we have the name of our customer as well. The date is today's, which means that we were able to add the subscriber in our Pabbly email marketing. Now it is time to send a WhatsApp confirmation message to the customer that the sale was successful. So before using Interact, I would like to suggest that please be prepared with a template. The template is basically like you can see so many examples of template over here that I have a sample where these variables 1, 2, 3 are given over here. Like I will show it to you. These 1, 2, 3. So these actually templates are that 1, 2, 3, 4 are the values of the data that is going to change again and again. Like the name of the customer, email or the number of the customer will change. So these are those variables and according to your requirement, like we have our payment successful. So we will be using a similar template. So I will go to the active template and I have created a template called payment successful. If you open it, you will be able to see the category is marketing, the language is English. I have chosen a header, payment done, and this is what the body looks like. Hello. In this first curly bracket, the name of the customer will appear. The second place, the amount will appear. Your payment for so-and-so amount is successful. And please keep the order ID. So I will enter the order ID over here for the record and regards. So this will be the WhatsApp message. All right. So let us begin with our Interact sending WhatsApp template message. Click on connect, and we have to connect Interact to Pabbly Connect so that all the data that you have received till now in your Instamojo will be used to send a message via Interact to WhatsApp. Click on connect, add new connection, and you have to enter a secret key that you will get from developer settings. So come back over here, go to your settings and developer setting, and here you have the secret key. Copy it from here and then come back to your workflow and paste it over here. Click on save, and your connection is done. Now see the fields that you are supposed to fill in to send a WhatsApp message. Country code and phone number are given separately. If you don't have the country code along with the phone number, then you have to enter it separately over here. Otherwise, if it is already connected, then you can put it in the field of full phone number. Then you have a template code. Like I showed it to you that we have multiple templates over here. There is always a template code for every specific and unique template. So you have to enter that over here so that every time an Instamojo sale is successful, so that template is used to send a WhatsApp message only. Language code, again for different languages, we have different codes. Header value is optional. As you can see, no required is written over here because it depends upon what header you have selected. So like in this one, this template, you already have a header. If there was no header, then you can select this option of giving a header value. Body variables, as it says variable. So this 1, 2 and 3 value will be updated over here. Similarly, we are going to map the value so that in this one, every time a new name occurs, the new name will be exchanged in the one variable place. A new amount is occurring, so that amount will be available in the or replaced in the second place. Similarly, we will have the ID as well. Now CTA button is the call to action button. So since we have not added any call to action button, then you can leave it empty for now. Let us begin with these fields now. So we have to map the phone number. As much as I remember that in our sale request ID, we have the phone number along with the country code. So I will map it over here. Template code name, these instructions are given over here. When you open your template in a view format, then before this view, whatever is between these slashes, that is your code name. So this is my view, and see payment underscore successful is my template code. So I will copy it from here, from my URL, and then paste it in my workflow. Okay, now this is not going to change. That is why we are pasting it and not mapping it. This phone number will be changing every time a new sale occurs because a new customer will have a new phone number. So that will be exchanged or replaced every time. Language code, I have chosen English, which is very easy. It is EN, it's given over here only. If you want to have more codes for more various languages, you can click on this here button and get a long list of all the languages available around the world. Like I said, header value is not required. We have already provided a header. And now we have how many variables? 3 variables. First is the name, second is the amount, and third is the ID. So I'm going to write it this way. First I will map the name, which is this. I'll put a comma. Okay, and then I will map the amount, which is this, and space, and also I will add INR, which is the currency. Now again, comma, we have to put comma, and that comma is basically separating the variables. And in the end, we will have the payment ID for reference. We have added the body variables. So in the curly bracket 1, the name will be replaced. In the curly bracket 2, this 9 INR will be replaced. And in the curly bracket 3, this payment ID will appear. So we are going to leave this CTA button empty by activating the map button and erasing it because we have no CTA button available in our template. Now click on Save and Send Test Request and you will receive a response from your application. And here you can see that it says the payment successful template has been sent to the customer. See, so we have sent the message. Let us close this module and go to check on our WhatsApp. Have we received the message or not? And here is my WhatsApp. As you can see, payment done that we have received. Hello, new customer. The name of the customer is here. Your payment for 9 INR is successful. And here we have the ID mapped for our new sale for the record and the messages sent to the customer. Which means that with the help of this workflow, whenever a new sale is received, you will get all the payment details over here. You can add that subscriber, that specific customer to Pabbly email marketing list. And then you can send a WhatsApp template message for confirmation or notification via Interact. So this was the whole video. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.